ॐ आनिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। श्लोक नंबर 99 we saw प्रमाणमंतरेणेषां बुद्ध्यादीनां असिद्धता अनुभूति फलार्थित्वात्। आत्मा इज अनुभूति फलार्थी। अनुभूति एव फलम, अनुभूति फलम तदर्थी। So those which are not anubhuti phalarthi, they need praman, pramata, prameya, etc. Those which are anubhuti phalarthi, they don't need pramanadi triputi. So atma is anubhuti phalarthi and jnana. So atma kim apekshate? Atma does not expect anything. Purva Paksha says, see question, nanu atma bhi upanishad pramanam apekshate. Atma, you always say atma needs upanishad. Only through upanishad pramana atma is known. Iti ashankya chit swabhavatvat अज्ञान निवृत्ति व्यतिरेकेण प्रमित्यंतरम नापेक्षत इत्याह आत्माज्ञ इति. It is chit swabhava, chaitanya swabhava, and therefore for atma's revelation you don't need upanishad. Upanishad is required only for ajnana nivritti. Ajnana nivritti vyatirekena pramityantaram na apekshate. Atma. Atma does not need any pramana for Atma Vishayaka Prama. Atma Vishayaka Ajnana Nivritti is what is required. Why? Because Atma is Jnana Swarupa. Further now, this he mentioned earlier, but now he is just emphasizing in a different set of words with different examples. आत्मानात्मनोरुक्तन्यायेन अत्यंत विविक्त स्वभावयोः संयोग समवाय तादात्म्यादि संबंधा संभवात् अंतरेण च संबंधम प्रकाश्य प्रकाशक भावायोगात् आध्यासिक संबंधो वाच्यस. Between atma and anatma, atmanatmanoho ukta nyayena, this nyaya what he explained, reasoning, अत्यंत विविक्त स्वभावयोः संयोग समवाय तादात्म्यादि संबंध असंभवात्. Because they are of completely different nature, between them संयोग संबंध, समवाय संबंध, or any kind of तादात्म्य संबंध, none of them are possible. संयोग समवाय तादात्म्यादि संबंधा संभवात्. So then maybe there is no sambandha between atma and anatma. He says no. Antarena cha sambandham prakashya prakashaka bhava yogat. If there is a ghata and there is prakasha, unless the ghata is in the vicinity of that prakasha, ghata will not become prakashya. Ghata will not be illumined. You need illumination coming in contact with the object of illumination. Prakasha Prakashaka Sambandha will happen, then Ghata will be illumined. So Anatma becomes known. Because Anatma becomes known, therefore Atma, Anatma has some Sambandha. Otherwise, that Prakashya Prakashaka Bhava would not have been there. Therefore, Adhyasika Sambandho Vachyas. We should accept Adhyasika Sambandha. Adhyas between Atma and Anatma. Tasya cha adhyasasya vidyamana bhedayos tad agraha purvakatvat ukta eva vyatirekaha पुनर्विवक्षित अध्यास सिद्ध्यर्थम अनुद्यत इत्याह. तस्य अध्यासस्य of that अध्यास विद्यमान भेदयोः भेद which is present between atma and anatma, atmanatmanoho vidyamana bhedayoho, but that bheda agrahanam takes place between Rajju and Sarpa. When I don't see bheda, Vyavaharik Rajju, Pratibhasik Sarpa, between them bheda is not registered. Because of that, adhyasa takes place. Vivakshita adhyasa so vidyamana bhedayoho tad agraha purvakatvat. Because there is agrahanam, therefore there is adhyasa. This adhyasa, he says, we have already talked about it. Ukta eva vyatirekaha punar vivakshita adhyasa siddhyartham anudyata. For establishing that adhyasa again, the Vyatireka means the bheda between Atma and Anatma, how distinct they are. They cannot have sambandha other than adhyasa, is mentioned again. Vyatirekaha means bheda here. Moolam Vakshyamane taraध्यास सिद्ध्यर्थम उक्त व्यतिरेकानुवादः. Vakshyamana itaretaraadhyasa siddhyartham. For the itaretaraadhyasa between Atma and Atma, Ukta Vyatireka which is already said, its anuvada is being done now. घट बुद्धेर घटाचार्थात् द्रष्टुर्यद्वद्विभिन्नता अहम बुद्धेरहंगम्यात् दुःखिनश्च तथा दृशेः. घट बुद्धेर घटाचार्थात् द्रष्टुर्यद्वद्विभिन्नता अहम बुद्धेरहंगम्यात् दुःखिनश्च तथा दृशेः. घट बुद्धेः घटाच्च अर्थात द्रष्टुः भिन्नः. द्रष्टुः भिन्नता. दिस इज द दृष्टांत. यद्वत् घट बुद्धि घटाकार वृत्ति एंड घट, from both of them the drashta is different. In the same way, he says, tatha अहम बुद्धेः अहम गम्य दुःखिनश्च अहम गम्यात् दुःखिनश्च दृशेः विभिन्नता. दृशेः of the drashta atma, which is different from aham buddhi ahankara and aham gamya dukhi. Somebody is dukhi, let us say. So it is known aham gamya dukkhinah, aham vritti gamya dukhi. Aham buddhi is like ghata buddhi. Dukhi is like ghata. But he says aham gamya dukhi according to the shloka, dukkhinah. Dukkhinah, dukkhinah who will be dukhi? Dukkhin will be ahankara. Aham buddhi gamya is this dukhi. Dukhi means this pramata. And it will be known through avidya vritti, is different from drashta. Drishehe tayoho vibhinnata. They both are different. So this nididhyasanam is what is required. I am different from the drishya. I am different from the drishya jnanam. The vritti which reveals the drishya, from that also I am different, because that vritti is also drishya. Tika drishyat drashturiva ahankara dashayam akarmakataya bhasamana sakshi vedyat dukkhinah sakshi chaitanyasyapi vyatirekah sadhita ityarthah. Drashyat drashtuhu iva. From drishya, how drashta is different. Ahankara dashayam akarmakataya bhasamana. In ahankara dasha, that which does not become the karma, that sakshi, akarmakataya bhasamana sakshi vedyat. Sakshi vedya is this dukhi, ahankara, dukkhinah. Sakshi chaitanyasyapi vyatirekah sadhita. Sakshi chaitanya is different from that ahankara. Just as drashta is different from drishya, sakshi is different from dukhi ahankara. So we saw earlier, dukhi yadi bhaved atma kas sakshi dukkhino bhaved. If atma is dukhi, then who will be the sakshi of that atma, which is dukhi? Therefore, atma cannot be dukhi. So the one who is dukhi is ahankara. Atyantika dukha nivritti is this only. To the extent I can see myself different from this dukha. Dukha sanyoga doesn't happen. That does not mean in vyavahara you will go on suffering unnecessarily. You can put stop to certain vyavahara and it is good. There is no need. So in this way, Sakshi Chaitanya is different from Ahankara and the Jnanam of the Ahankara. Further, एवं व्यतिरेकं प्रदर्श्य तद अग्रह निबंधनो अध्यासः प्रदर्श्यत इत्याह. So Vyatireka means the bheda between the two, Atma and Anatma, is shown. Now, not recognizing the bheda, tad agraha, and tad agraha nibandhanaha adhyasaha. Tad agraha nibandhanaha, what is the samasa? What is the samasa? Which samasa will be there?
षष्ठी तत्पुरुष तयोः अग्रह निबंधनः.
Bahuvrihi. Tad we don't have to take tayoho. We will just take Vyatireka. Vyatireka graha निबंधनः यस्य सः व्यतिरेक ग्रह व्यतिरेक अग्रह तद अग्रह व्यतिरेक अग्रह निबंधनो यस्य निबंधनम मूल कारणम. Not recognizing the bheda between Atma and Anatma is the fundamental cause of superimposition. Agraha is a nibandhanam, Atmana. If I can recognize two things, Rajju and Sarpa, separately, there is no adhyasa. Viveka is clear. When I am not able to recognize the two clearly, that's why those who are doing meditation regularly, Nirvishesha Atma Dhyanam. In my Dhyanam, I should dwell on Nirvishesha Atma. What comes to my mind, if it is Savishesha, I should reject it. This is not me. Until mind remains at Nirvishesha only, no upadhis are added. No need of, at that time, no need of objectifying, no need of verbalizing, no need of any thoughts, nothing. If this abhyasa is done regularly, then during the day also, you will see the impact of it. You will not be interested in becoming Savishesha. Savishesha will bring dukkham. So, adhyasa karanam is viveka agraha. प्रदर्शत इत्याह. एवं एतयोर आत्मानात्मनोः स्वतः परतः सिद्धयोर लौकिक रज्जु सर्पाध्यारोपवत् अविद्योपाश्रय एव इतरेतराध्यारोप इत्येतदाह. एवं, in this way, एतयोः, of these two, आत्मानात्मनोः स्वतः परतः सिद्धयोः. Atma and Anatma are swatah siddha or paratah siddha?
Atma is Svata Siddha, Anatma is Parata Siddha.
Why not the other way?
Anatma is Jada, so Anatma cannot be Svatasiddha.
Anatma is Jada and Atma is Chaitanya. So Atma is Swatah Siddha. Swatah Paratah Siddhayoh. Laukika Drashtant he gives Laukika Rajju Sarpa Adhyaropavat. In Rajju Sarpa, Rajju is Swatah Siddha, Sarpa is Paratah Siddha. Sarpasya Adhyaropa in Rajju अविद्योपाश्रय एव इतरेतर अध्यारोप. इतरेतर अध्यारोप इस और अध्यास इस अविद्योपाश्रय. अविद्या उपाश्रयो यस्य कस्य
अध्यारोपित सर्पस्य
अध्यारोपस्य. अविद्या उपाश्रय एव अविद्या उपाश्रय यस्य अध्यारोपस्य. Any iteretar adhyaropa will require avidya. He gives two examples. Iti etadaha abhrayanam yatha mohat chashabhrityadhyavasyati sukhitvadin dhiyo dharmans tadvadatmani manyate. अभ्रयानं यथा मोहात् शशभृत्यध्यवस्यति सुखित्वादीन् धियो धर्मांस्तद्वदात्मनि मन्यते. यथा अभ्रयानं मोहात् शशभृति अध्यवस्यति. शशभृति शशम बिभर्ति इति शशभृत. शशभृति सप्तमी. मोहात् अभ्रयानम शशभृति अध्यवस्यति. What is शशभृत? What is
Shashi, Chandrama.
Chandrama? Shasham Bibharti iti Shashi, Chandrama. Abhrayanam means a cloud. The movement of cloud, the fast moving cloud, somebody superimposes that movement on Chandrama. Shashabhriti adhyavasyati. Sukhitwadin dhiyo dharman. Dharmans. What is the sutra? Sakara?
Naschavya Prashan.
Nashchavya Prashan. Sukhitwadin dhiyo dharman. They are the dharma of buddhi. Sukhitva, dukhitva, etc. Atmani manyate. Mohat. I think I am sukhi, I am dukhi. I am very peaceful. I am a good jiva. Very good. I am reaching moksha point soon. I am close to the finish line. Very good. All illusions. Why everything is adhyas only? You are already Brahma. Evam Atma Evam Atmani Anatma Dharmadhyasam Abhidhaya Anatmani Atma Dharmadhyasam Sadrashtantam Aha. Atmani, in Atma, Anatma Dharma Adhyasa he gave. Atmani Anatma Dharma Adhyasa. Atma, in Atma, Buddhi Dharma Adhyasa. Sukhitva, Dukhitva, etc. Dhiyoho Dharman. That example he gave. Now, Abhidhaya, अनात्मनि आत्मधर्माध्यास. In anatma आत्मधर्माध्यास along with a दृष्टांत. सदृष्टान्तम आह. दग्धृत्वं च यथा वन्ये रयसो मन्यते कुधीः चैतन्यं तद्वदात्मीयं मोहात् कर्तरि मन्यते. दग्धृत्वं च यथा वन्ये रयसो मन्यते कुधीः चैतन्यं तद्वदात्मीयं मोहात् कर्तरि मन्यते. कुधीः कुत्सिता धीर यस्य सह कुधीः. कुबुद्धि, what we call, यथा वन्येः दग्धृत्वम् अयसः मन्यते. वन्येः, what is the विभक्ति?
षष्ठी.
And ayasah
Also षष्ठी.
षष्ठी.
षष्ठी. वन्येः दग्धृत्वम् अयसो दग्धृत्वम् मन्यते. दग्धृ, what is the dhatu? What is the dhatu?
Da or du. Da.
दह. भस्मीकरणे. दह भस्मीकरणे. दह धातु दग्धृ. How dagdri will be formed? From daha
Trich pratyay.
trich pratyaya. So where will gakar come from? Dhakar come from? What will happen to hakara?
दादेर धातोर धः.
Dader dhator
धः.
dhaha. What will that sutra do?
Hakara will change into dhakara.
Daha hakara will change to ghakara. So dagha.
Jhashas or do daha hakara to takara to dhakara.
Where did takara come from?
Nishtha pratyay.
Earlier somebody said pratyaya.
No, dadir dhator gaha.
Is hakara will become ghakara. Jashas tathor dodaha will change
Shakara into ghakara.
takara into dhakara.
Okay, dhakara.
And then where will gakara come from?
Jhalam jashi.
Jalan jasya. So dagdri, if it is trich pratyant, dagdri. Dagdritvam. So dagdritvam belongs to one knee, but falsely it is superimposed on iron ball in the same way, or iron. In the same way, tadvat. Atmiyam chaitanyam mohat kartari manyate. Out of moha, chaitanya is in karta. This is what is thought of. So the tika is already nothing. उत्तर श्लोक पूर्व पाद त्रयेण पूर्वोक्तार्थो अनुद्यत इति तात्पर्यम् आह. उत्तर श्लोक पूर्व पाद त्रयेण. उत्तर श्लोक 103 पूर्व पाद त्रयेण पूर्वोक्तार्थ अनुद्यत. What is said earlier? He says that by the first three padas of the Uttara Shloka. Iti tatparyam aha sarva eva ayam iti arabhya, starting from there, na paramatma vyapashraya ityantena, up to na paramatma vyapashraya. See, sarva eva ayam atmanatma vibhagah pratyakshadi pramana vartmani अनुपनिपतितो अविद्योत्संगवर्त्येव न परमात्मा व्यपाश्रय. This atmanatma vibhaga pratyakshadi pramana vartmani, in the pratyaksha anumana etc. pramana, in that marga alone, vartmani marge, anupanipatita. There is another pathantar which is much simpler. Anupatita. This Chitsukacharyaji's book has that reading. Anupatita, which is easy. Anu means in that same category, fallen. Patita. Pravaha patita, what we saw in Brahma Sutra, like that, Anupatita. But this Tikakar has used the reading Anupanipatita. So, Upa, Ni, Upasarga Purvaka, Patita. Upa, Ni, Samipa and Nishchayena, Patita. Na Upanipatita iti Anupanita. Anupanipatita. And there is nothing in Tika about it. But if you do na Upanipatita, Nipatita would mean the same thing. Nishchayena Patita. Anupatita. So we need Anu here actually. Anu, then that Pakara would not be right. So Pakara you just put in bracket, or Pa and Ni both. Then our reading will be same as the Chitsukacharyaji's reading. Avidya utsangavarti eva. Avidyotsanga. This Atmanatma Vibhaga is also within Avidya. Na Paramatma Vyapashraya. So it is because of Avidya alone, this Sambandha between Atma, Anatma, this Vibhaga, etc. Avidya Utsanga Varti Eva. It is not Paramarthika. Now Paramatma Vipashaya means it is not Paramarthika. Now Chaturtha Pada, he says, Avidya Utsangi means Avidya Ashraya in Tika. Avidyotsangavarti Avidya Ashraya ityartha. Idanim Chaturtha Pada Vyavartyam Shankam Aha Asyascha. This Chaturtha Pada of the shloka will do Vyavritti of some Shanka. What is that Shanka? Asyascha Avidyayaha Sarvanartha Hetoho Kuto Nivrittihi. How this Avidya Nivritti will happen? Iti chet tadaha. So that is explained now. Shlokam avatarayati tadaha. Dukharasher vichitrasya seyam bhrantischirantani मूलं संसारवृक्षस्य तद्बाधस्तत्त्वदर्शनात् दुःखराशेर्विचित्रस्य सेयं भ्रान्तिश्चिरन्तनी मूलं संसारवृक्षस्य तद्बाधस्तत्त्वदर्शनात् विचित्रस्य दुःखराशेः variety of sorrows that come, the heap of sorrows, Seyam Bhranti hi Chirantani, Sanatani. This Bhranti is Anadi. This Bhranti belongs to Samsara Vrikshasya Moolam. Moolam is Avidya. This is not Urdhva Mula as in Paramatma. Here, the Avidya aspect, which is the Sansara Vrikshasya Moolam. Tad Badhas Tattva Darshanat, whose Badha of this Avidya, which is Chirantani, Bhranti, Badha will happen through knowledge. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.